Hello everybody. I have 4 big boxes that the UPS man brought, and it was raining, so he couldn't leave them. He had to actually put them in the back seat of my truck. And I don't have a tripod yet, and I don't have anyone here to help me. So what I'm going to do is pause the video, open the boxes, and then open them for you. So it'll be an unboxing, but not really an unboxing, if you know what I mean. Oh, and here's my security system right there. This is Mercy. She's 5 months old. Maya and her sister. We did what you're not supposed to do, and we adopted 2 from the same litter, but they were just so adorable we couldn't resist it. Okay, so pause. Wow, that was super fast, wasn't it? Okay, so here's what I got. No, the prices aren't on there. We got 20 10-pound cans of banana chips. And yes, I have a freeze dryer, and however, these are already packed. I don't have to buy the mylar bags, and I believe these are actually only dehydrated, not freeze dried. But these will still, I think they're supposed to last 15 or 20 years. But you know how it is with expiration dates. Things are going to last a lot longer than they're supposed to last. And why did I buy these as opposed to freeze drying them? The price. Emergency and Essentials, which is beprepared.com, occasionally has amazing prices that I can't pass up. So let's see what I got. I got what, 20 packages, which meant 3 boxes, because they ship 6 to a box. 3 boxes, and then the 4th box for what else I got, plus the 2 extra. I also got the emergency sleeping bags, which I'll open one up for you in a second. And I could not buy the bananas, invest the time, package them, and freeze dry these for what they cost me. They were $8.33 per number 10 can. And what I do when I store these is, on a lot of them, I will mark the top, the package. The top of the package I'll mark, mark it with an X or check mark it. I'll take one of my P38s or P51s. Which one is this? My eyes fail me. It's one of the 2. And I'll put that on the top there, and then I'll put that top back on there, and then when I store them, I'll put like an O on there, because I'll know it has an opener in there. I actually bought from one of the bulk suppliers. I actually bought, I think, what, a bulk of 100 of them. So when you buy in bulk, you save so much money. And I did get the original Shelby ones that are made in the USA. And so here's what they did with our last 2 cans. They put them in here, and then right there is our emergency sleeping bag. So it's really just a mylar bag. I think these actually were a little expensive at $3.99 each. And we did have a bunch of them previous to this. We had mylar bags and mylar sleeping bags. We also have emergency ponchos that were on sale from Emergency Essentials for 99 cents. So I stocked up then. And a perfect example of stocking up on these things is not just that you might need them in 20 or 30 years, but that for your family who doesn't prep, when you have these things, they're really surprised that you have them, and then they understand the need. My daughter and her fiance, were going to, I believe it was a concert, and it was going to rain, so I gave them 6 or 7 emergency ponchos, and now they keep them in their vehicles for just such an emergency. They didn't end up needing them that day, and I asked my future son-in-law, do you want to hold on to those just for in case you need them? And I think he's a prepper, but he doesn't know it, if that makes sense. He said, yeah, he would really like to do that, so I left those with him. So, emergency essentials, if you don't know it, beprepared.com. If you buy one of their monthly specials, your entire order ships free. Although these things were on sale or clearance, whatever they were, I actually had to pay $12 for shipping, and I try to avoid shipping at all costs, but their shipping is $12. It doesn't matter how much you order. So I actually ended up with, what, 20 packages of the banana chips, and I got 8 of these, and with shipping my entire order was $210. The fact that they ship these in these boxes that are so easy to store is really nice. However, I absolutely do not put cardboard at all in my storage. So these will come out of the cardboard and go into a Sterilite storage container, which are made in USA, and I buy them in bulk and save a lot of money buying them in bulk on Walmart.com. So that's where those will go. I'll have a few extra, so to encourage my daughter and my grandson to like getting things in a number 10 can, I'm going to give 1 can to my daughter and her fiance, and I'm going to give a can to my 6-year-old grandson, who will have eventually an amazing influence on his mother when he asks for more of these. So those are my preps for today. The Augustin Farms banana chips that cost $8.33 each. And the emergency sleeping bags, which were $3.99 each. And I bought 8 of those, and I'll pass those around the family. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching.